You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. I hope everybody good. Please remember to hit the subscribe button if it's the first time watching this video, and click the like button as well, and just join the family, no man. I want good little family, you know, so with the bell is it. So people, first topic, social media crisis. Yo, don't worry. Me know enough of you from morning, you try log into your Facebook account, your Instagram account, you try send a voice note on WhatsApp. But guess what? It's okay. They are aware of the problem. I mean, well, Facebook stated that they are aware of the problem. It's just a little system glitch. So guess what? Facebook tweet this tweet. We are aware that some people currently having issue accessing the Facebook family of apps. We are working to resolve this issue as soon as possible. And this is about 3 hours to the time of making this video. And they even give us an update hour after. We are focused on working to resolve the issue as soon as possible, but can confirm that the issue is not related to a DOS attack. So people, you can't stop fret. Me know see a lot of you fret out there. As I say, we get an official statement from Facebook, but we don't see nothing from WhatsApp or Instagram. But guess what? Them under one family. So I don't know. Next topic we are going to talk about, threesome gone wrong. So people, me have browse pan Daydream and I see this post, yo. I'm happy come share the post here with my subscriber because I had a good laugh. So why not make you guys have a good laugh as well? So the post read, "Good night dream. Please hide my ID. I'd need the opinion of the dreamers on this one. Now picture this. I have my man and we are going strong in the relationship until we decide to try something new. I invited my friend over and had a drink and all, then decided to try a threesome with my boyfriend. Now dream, the condom burst. We advise her to get the morning pill after, but instead she eat the pill, she eat the money we gave her to buy the pill. Until 4 weeks later, her period never turned up. She gonna call to say she is pregnant. Bear in mind, my boyfriend does not have any kids, so this would be his first child plus her first child. According to her, she tried getting pregnant before and couldn't, so she is not aborting the child, and my boyfriend always wanted a child, but I wasn't ready." What do you suggest in this situation, where my friend now decide to carry a child for a man I intend to spend the rest of my life with? So people, that's some big drama, that's some big passa go on right there. So yo, I'm gonna leave it to Uno, the viewers and subscribers. Uno, tell me what you think about the situation there. And remember, this post is coming from Over Dream, that's a dear dream. And you know, say over there them have some bad mix up and all these things, but we could just scroll past it. But I come bring it to you. With that even I go expound on it anymore. So people, check out Spotlight. Spotlight say him want back Macka Diamond and him a go do anything to get her back. So check out this video.
I'm getting married in the morning. Ling ling, you hear the church bell ring. Love me Macka baby, so she I'm gonna marry. I never ever want her to stray. For you, Macka Diamond, one for you. Shine bright.
So people, you know who now go just scroll past the video there and left it like that. Facebook hero. His man have something to say about the video, and look how the man remix Spotlight video. Wanna check it out?
Focus, Spotlight, focus. Go on, I want to get Macka. I'm getting married in the morning. Green hair Macka make me smile and horny. Era mash up with life. That green hair make me cry. Macka come back in a me life. Macka, me take out the 1 year's ring out of my ears. That means I love you. Please come back.
So say, yo, we don't know how I go on right there, so both of them been having problem. I don't know if it's a publicity stunt or anything like that, but between Spotlight, Macka Diamond and Facebook Hero, they been a one big passa. But anyhow, it look like it's a workout. So people, check out Footer Hype vibing to Alkaline.
Why Footer look so?
Well, he never really did a vibe to Alkaline still. Yo, Jado Star, the man stand up in at the party and the man move. Like the man I say, yo, them not see me, the selector boy, him not see me in at the party. Why him a play Alkaline and him know say me don't like the brother there. People, let me know in the comment section if you are a Gaza fan and you go one party and hear a Vendetta song a play, I saw you react or what. If it's just Footer Hype really don't like the brother, let me know in the comment section. So people, Yannick the Curvy Diva give us some relationship tips and advice. So fellas, listen up, because Yannick Curvy Diva is out there giving free relationship advice. The media vixen turned recording artist took to social media earlier this week to upload a banging photo with a lengthy caption. Fellas, if you got a good girl and she's hot, just know niggas gonna be coming for your spot every hour on the hour, the former Magnum Kings and Queen dancehall host wrote. So, never get mad, just continue to secure your position. And if you never do that, then brother, fix up or step aside, cause you know she deserves the best. Yannick the Curvy Diva celebrated 1 million followers on Instagram last week as she continued to make move with her breakout single Lifestyle and new songs Unfair Game with Ayactine, Mineable and Touchdown Freestyle. Last year, Yannick Curvy Diva signed a multi-million-dollar deal that make her the official brand ambassador for the recent Lasco manufactured and distributed Conquer energy drink. So people, let me know what you think about Yannick the Curvy Diva post. And before me go, yo, Mackerel, the hot girl, the girl we are hot up social media. I mean the cockroach. Well, yo, may I stop calling girls so still, but and then she call herself so. But she says she nah stop take people man because people man nice. So people, wanna check out the video here.
I will pay for do it. So the people and man pay for do it here too. Nice and clean, them take care of you.
I mean, yeah. You want to kill them with someone else? Yeah. Don't draw out. Cut the things them. Remember enough, I call him now. I'll make him hear master information.
The man. Go on a dance, Mackerel, dance.
You know, so
oh yeah, take people man you can't dance. So oh you wine pan it. Yeah, I used to tell people man, and the man send you good things from foreign.
People man, it's too big though. Then we get more.
The people man send you good things from foreign. Cause you tell the people man, and you get the good things there.
That's what talk to them.
Cause the man wants you. Yeah. You look good.
Yo, may I tell you one thing when I rate that girl with, it's confidence. So guess what? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget also to follow me on Facebook. Me there over Facebook too. Chaddy Murray TV. Just search for it. And today, me relaunch my Twitter account, so I'm gonna be start tweeting now, and that one is at I am DJ Chaddy, or you can search Chaddy Murray TV same way. So see them on all platforms. Leave a like on this video if you like it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I hope everybody good. Welcome to the Chaddy Murray TV. If it's the first time watching, don't hesitate. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. So the topics are going to be today. No boom bye bye for Buju Banton. Spice back on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. Squash links with TJ and Romish team. Popcorn level up. in new songs. We have the preview there for you. Governor released the preview for the single entitled Loyalty.